Hi, my name is Pallavi Mukherjee. I I have been invited from the Super 24 ladies team, and I would be speaking for the ladies who should have their own identity in today's world. It is very necessary to have identity of a woman. It is not only for women, it is women, men, everyone. But as I'm going to speak only for women today, I would like to say identity doesn't mean that you need to step out of the house and you need to work, or you need to have some professional line, or you need to be getting educated. Identity is yourself, is your esteem. What is your ability to do? What are your weaknesses? What are your positive? Every woman have something good, something bad in them. We need to understand ourselves. We need to know what we are good in, and that's how we need to groom ourselves. It doesn't need that you need to step out of the house, you need to be a doctor, engineer, or you have to be an accountant, or you have to work under someone. No, you can stay at home. Being a housewife is your identity. You are a proud housewife. You take care, you are a mother, you are a daughter, you are a sister. And every woman should have their own identity, because when you stand in front of a mirror, when you look at the mirror, you should say, yes, this is what I am. It's about yourself. You should make yourself look beautiful, not from your face or from your body, from your heart. And you need to be strong. There shouldn't be anyone in this world who can make your esteem low. Anything, it might be good, bad, which is coming across in this world, you should be strong enough to face it. It might be within the house, it might be outside the house. You don't have to build your identity by just stepping out of the house. And nowadays, first people say that in olden days or orthodox family, women should not go out and work. Okay, don't go out and work, you stay at home. You can build your own identity by being at home. There are many women who do not go out and work, but still they have their own identity, they have their own position where they sit, and they can rule the world, they can rule their family, and they can take care of the family, they can love the family. And earning, it is not necessary that or it's not compulsory that only men should earn and women should sit and work in the house. No, the world has changed. Everything has changed. This is 21st century, and we need to think that way. We need to give equal opportunity and equal liberty and equal freedom. We need to support people, we need to support women. And I would like to say this to all the women: be a support of a woman. Do not back bitch, or do not just make the esteem low of a woman. You should always encourage a woman. Try to help them, try to help the people and help to get their identity. If they feel low, help them out and try to build their moral and be their moral support. Thank you.